Broughal Middle School family. The past couple years we've worked on trauma and how trauma impacts our student learning and how it affects brain development. And then there's this thing called vicarious trauma. Every day you work hard with our students to make them feel safe, to make them belong, and to help them regulate themselves. But there are times when you need regulation yourself. And so one of the things that we worked on with the Volunteer Challenge and Lehigh Valley Health Network was to make a peace room for you, which we call the Launchpad, a place where you can have mindful moments, you can relax your brain, you can charge yourself, and give yourself some time and peace and love. So we can't thank you enough. We hope you enjoy this, and make sure you take some of those mindfulness moments. And again, thank you to Lehigh Valley Health Network. We appreciate you.
Hi, I'm Courtney Penrose from Lehigh Valley Health Network. On behalf of LVHN, I want to say thank you. It has been an honor and a privilege to work on this space for the teachers and staff here. We're so excited for you to see what we've created. We hope that it's a space that you can utilize to rest, to relax, and rejuvenate before returning to your classes. We knew long before the events of this year unfolded that this was a space that you guys well deserved. We hope that it's everything you need it to be, and well, we can't wait for you to come in and see it and enjoy the space. Until then, we hope that you stay safe, be well, and go Rockets.